Hello everyone, today is November 7th, Thursday, and I have a preview of the trade room commentary pre-market. So I'm going to show a chart where these bubbles or ellipses are drawn before the market open, and our moderator George is going to be narrating the levels and what to look for, and we're going to show the ES and the NQ. So this is a 3-minute chart, and I've drawn the levels in here. But we're going to go to the video, and then I'm going to come back and explain on the chart what's going on. So you're going to get to see a preview of what it's like in our trade room before the market opens and what the commentary sounds like.
November 4th, 2024. We're tracking both the ES and the NQ. And right now we have current targets that'll lead a little bit later in the day. We'll end up hitting approximately 20,055 on the NQ as far as the most likely, most conservative, and then what we call full projection will be down here at 20,020 after that. And if the market remains weak, then we'll end up getting to the 19,986. On the ES, similar story. It also is projecting to the downside. And we have 57.55 is the first most conservative target. And then next is 57.39. And again, if the market remains weak here as well, 57.33.
Okay, so you saw the levels called ahead of time, and this is about, this is a 5-minute chart, so this is about 6 or 7 bars into the open. It's about 10 o'clock here, and some additional levels were drawn on the chart once the market opened. But as you can see on the ES and the NQ, the first set of levels was hit, and then these levels were further drawn to the downside as well as this have to hold line, which is an important area of support. So what actually happened in the market that day is on my 3-minute chart. So in the video he called the 45 level here, which is right here, this 45 level, and that got hit right here. And then he called 32, which is right here. So 32 got here, and then as the market progressed, notice that we hit the extended low and beyond in the morning, and then it rallied up to the point of control, and then after the 10:30 recalculation up to the upper buy hot zone, and then down, and then this level here was hit again here. This 32 level was a really important level over here around noontime. The market never made it down to what we call the rubber band. So that's the NQ. This is on November 4th, which is Monday. Then in the ES, the 45 level was called, and then down here at 38, and that was a double bottom. Here, the first test in the morning at 9:40, and then again at 11:50. So this was a double bottom marked by our indicator here. And again, this level was tested here, and then broke through that, and then came down to the 31 level. And then some additional levels were called on the chart. So let's go back to the video and see what they were. Okay, after the open, these levels were drawn in. On the ES, you can see 57.40 on the ES, and then 57.32, and then down here at 57.20. And then on the NASDAQ, 19,980 and 960, and I don't think it came below that, but important here was this 57.32 area, and then 57.20. Okay, so on the ES, this is 57.32 was the extended low after the recalculation, and then 57.20 was down here, and the low of the day was 24.25, so within a few points of the low of the day. So again, that's how accurate the levels are, and the calls in the market, believe me, when he calls short at the open before the market opened, traders are going short here and meeting their goals from here to here and done with trading in the first few minutes. Many of them are. Same thing in the NASDAQ. Just one trade here and you could easily meet your goal. I often trade Renko bars, especially with the auto trader, and this is what the levels look like with Renko bars in the core. This is the same day from the 4th, and these were the called levels in the NASDAQ. And if you prefer to trade these kinds of bars, which I do, this is what it looks like with the core. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.